why. This is how you do stop motion 101. Okay, let's start. I'm gonna do my name.
Okay, so what's the first thing you need to do if you're gonna do a stop motion video?
You need to, so basically you gotta, whatever, I'm gonna do my name. So you gotta draw it first, and then you're gonna take a picture of that.
Okay, so you do one letter, take a picture.
Yeah.
Okay, and then what?
And then you add another letter, and then you take another picture.
Okay.
And then you add another letter, then you take a picture. Then you add another letter, then you take a picture. Then you add another one, take a picture, and then you add another one, take a picture.
Okay, and then what were you taking pictures with, your
iPad?
iPad, okay, and then what?
Then once you're done, put it in iMovie and edit it, and then make it into a stop motion.
Okay, so first step is to take all the pictures. Step 2 is to upload all the pictures into iMovie.
Yeah, then you edit. So, and then if you want it to look good in iMovie, you're gonna have to put none on, like, and you're gonna have to make them as small as you can for the thing.
Each segment?
Yeah, you're gonna have to make it as small as you can, because if you make it big, it's gonna look weird. It's gonna go like that, and then it's gonna like separate, so it's gonna be like a big letter. No one's there.
Okay, and then how did you add music?
You add music in iMovie?
Okay, your music that you used was from iMovie?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, how long did it take you? You and Mia made one that was 44 seconds long. How long did it take you to make that?
2 days.
2 days? Like how much time in each day?
A whole period.
Okay, so 2 class periods
And advisory. Just max.
and advisory. Okay, did you have fun doing it?
Mhm.
Okay. All right. Anything else?
No.